Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get monthly sales report in Zoho Books. All right, first up, log into your Zoho Books account and now go over to reports. Okay, here in the left panel, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead over to sales. Okay, under report category, click on sales, and here you'll be able to find a ton of options. Okay, as you can see here, I have one that is system generated, so you can go ahead and just select from one of these options. For example, sales by item. Okay, just click on it, and once done, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in filters. Okay, and as you can see here at the top, you have the date range, and just make sure that you select this month. Okay, or if you want to as well, you can go ahead and hit on custom. Let's say you wanted to select September 1 to 30. There you go, hit on done. You have the entities right here, including invoice and credit note. You can add in more filters if you want to. Okay. Also, when you click on this button right here, you can go ahead and show and hide columns. Like if you want to add in amount with tax in your specific report, you can go ahead and add it. Just click on the plus sign, it will be moved right here. Okay. If you want to, you could add them all like so. And once done, just click on run report. And here you have your report. Okay, if you want to export it, just click on export right here, select the file type, export, and save it wherever you want. Here you have your copy. That's basically it. That is how you got monthly sales report here in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.